Continuing our discussion of basic Excel functions, let's now look at some other examples. So in this example, we have rows 1 through 7 and column A, and let's create column B such that it equals A. So for this one, we'll just do equal B2 for that first one, and then bottom right black cross to fill that in. Next example, let's suppose that C is 150 and D equals C equals 150. So to complete this task, we're going to do equal E2 fully anchored by hitting F4, and then bottom right black cross to send those down. Okay. Next example, let's suppose I've got C that equals A plus B and then D equals A star B. So for this one, I'm going to do equal B16 plus C16, and then bottom right black cross and send those down. I'm going to go into the function here, equal B16 plus C16. I'm going to control C to copy that formula this way, and then control V it over here. I'll then change the plus to a star, and then bottom right black cross to send those down. Next example, let's suppose I've got B is now equal to 6, and then there's my A data. And then we're going to repeat the process here. So this one will be for C equals A I16 plus B. B is always 6, so I'm going to fully anchor that one, J16. Bottom right black cross, send those down. I'm going to double click inside here and copy this one. Control C to highlight the data with your mouse, then Control C on your keyboard to copy it. Paste that there. And then I'm going to change that to star. And then bottom right black cross to send that down. Couple more examples. So let's suppose I have this data. So I've got columns A, B, and C, and now I've got D equals A plus B, and then E equals A plus C. So A is not going to change, but I want to have one formula and drag it across and down. So this one's going to be equal to C2. That will change when I drag it across and down. Plus B2, but the A part is not going to change for both of these. So I'm going to fully anchor the column. So I'm going to F4 until I get to $B2. We'll drag that across and confirm that works. And then highlight both of them, bottom right black cross, send that down. All right, next one. Now I've got A in a row format, so we're going to do something very similar to B and C. So D is going to equal A plus B. This will be equal B14 plus B13, but now the 13th row will remain fully anchored. So then I'll drag this down, confirm that that's right. And then bottom right, or highlight those two pieces of data, and now I'll drag it across. And that will confirm for us that is indeed correct. Another example here. For this one, doing our multiplication tables. So we'll do one, drag it across and down. So this will be equal to C22, but the 22nd row is not going to change. So I'm going to fully anchor the 22, and then I'll fully anchor the column for the other number. So this is star, so star B23, and then I'll fully anchor until I get to $B23. So 1 times 1 is 1. Drag that across. We should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then our last one, 9 times 9 is 81. That is indeed correct. And we were able to do that all with that one formula there.